Today we're going to dive into the iRobot Braava Jet M6012. We are going to have a little bit of a mopper now. We have the J7 Plus, which is the vacuum. We just replaced one of the old iRobots, and now we are going to unbox and look at this one. This one also comes with one cleaning solution, and it has one cleaning pad. We did buy some second-hand cleaning pads to attach to it in the future that wash in the wash. All right, we are inside the box. It was pretty well wrapped up. We've got the charging base in the back. This one here has the sprayer, the buttons, has the charging pads there in the back, the charging pad with some bumps here in the back, and the charging nodules there. In the back compartment, we have the cleaning solution, the power cable, and the first washing pad. The original ones were kind of pricey, so we got some second-hand ones that you're able to throw in the wash. As this one is washable, we'll see if it lasts in the washing machine. In the box, we got the safety guide as well as the quick start owner's manual in the bottom. The charging base comes in two pieces that connect with these little tiny things, so I don't know how well this is going to stand up the test of time, but we will see. So it goes together like that. This one also has the cord wrapper in the back, plugs in, and then it can wrap around. Ready to rock. And it has a little notch to let it go out the side. All right, so now the friends can be side by side. All right, the latch is here in the front for your cleaning supplies. Comes right out, half turn. And if you're using the bottle that it comes with, it's a half bottle to fill it up. You put your cleaning solution in there, then add some water. Hose to fill it to the top, and then put the lid back on into the locking position. We're going to go ahead and slide in our locking strap into the two rails here. And you want to put it in there so that it doesn't come out. All right, and you make sure that the charging pads go right down on the charging dock to make sure that it is charging. You have the charging light, and you also have the light around the Braava. Let it fully charge before you use it, then set it up with the app and you're ready to go. Two friends ready to play.